Yeah, good morning to all. So today we are going to discuss another chapter, that is circle, and here we are going to discuss these points. First, circle, radius of the circle, diameter of the circle, chord of the circle, circumference of the circle, semicircle, arc of the circle, segment, sector, secant, interior, exterior parts, and concentric circle and tangents. So let's start from the first point, that is circle. So what is a circle? A circle is a closed curved figure. So what is a circle? It is a closed curved figure whose all points, let's suppose these are the points on the curved figure A, B, C, D, whose all points are at equal distance from a particular point. मतलब ये सारे points है ना, they are at an equal distance from a particular point. This particular point is called the center of the circle, and the distance between the points on the circle from the center to the point is called the radius of the circle. So this is the radius of the circle, this is the radius of the circle, this is radius, and this. So these are the radius of the circle, and all means the distance is equal, so all radius are equal. So this is the first thing. What is a circle? It is a closed curved figure whose all points are at an equal distance from a particular point, and this particular point is called the center of the circle, and the distance between the points and the center is called the radius of the circle. And the another point, so what is circle? Done. What is radius? Done. Another point is diameter. What is diameter? So we have a circle, it is the center. Let's suppose from here to here, this is radius here. ये तो अभी पता है, अभी जिस बात करी, from center to end point of a circle is radius. अब इस radius को आगे increase करते हैं, center से आगे. Let's suppose इसको increase करो और ये आगे increase करते हैं यहाँ पे लगे. So from here to here it is also radius. So this is the diameter. So what is diameter? ये complete radius, this complete. A diameter is a line. अभी आप ऐसे समझ लीजिए, a diameter is a line that divides the circle into equal parts. Diameter क्या होता है? एक लाइन होती है, ये chord होती है, अभी हम आगे डिस्कस करेंगे. So it is a line that divides the circle into equal parts. So this is called a diameter. So from AB. So AB is a diameter and it is represented by D. अब यहाँ से दिख रहा है ना, जो D कंप्लीट ये डिस्टेंस है, it is R plus R. So what is D? Diameter is R plus R, that is 2R. So we can say the diameter is 2 times of the radius. So diameter क्या होता है? ये radius का 2 times होता है. और क्या बोल सकते हैं? This is complete diameter. So this is complete diameter. और radius क्या हुई? यहाँ से यहाँ तक distance radius है. So radius is half of diameter. ये भी बोला जा सकता है. Diameter is twice of the radius, and radius is half of diameter from the figure. Is it clear? Okay. So this is diameter. And the next point is diameter is the chord. So what are chords? So let's see. First draw a circle. So this is a circle. यहाँ पे आपको diameter बहुत अच्छे से clear होगा. It is the center of the circle, and any line segment inside the circle, a line segment that touches any 2 points of the circle. Let's suppose this is point A, this is point B, and this line segment is touching both the point of the circle. So this line segment is called the chord of the circle. मतलब सर्कल के किसी भी 2 पॉइंट्स को, लेट्स सपोज इट इज पॉइंट C and it is point B. So what is the line segment? So what is a chord? So chord is the line segment that touches any 2 points of the circle. जो सर्कल के 2 points को टच करता है, that's the line segment. अभी line segment है, what is it mean? अभी यहाँ कितने line segment हो सकते हैं? We could have infinity number of line segment. ये देखिए मान लीजिए E point है, so D और E को टच कौन कर रहा है? D. AB हमारा line segment टच कर रहा है. Same here. So we can draw infinity number of line segments in a circle. हो सकते हैं. अब देखिए, A, this is B, and this is a AB is a chord. A B is a chord. अब ऐसी बहुत सारी chords आ सकती हैं. तो एक ऐसी chord भी है जो यहाँ से पास हो रही होगी, और एक ऐसी chord भी आएगी जो इसके इस पर्टिकुलर सेंटर से पास होकर जाएगी. Let's suppose PQ. So फर्स्ट थिंग देखिए, यहाँ से जैसे जैसे chords आगे तरफ इंक्रीज कर रहे हैं, ऊपर से नीचे तरफ, so the size of the means the length of the chord is increasing. So अब यहाँ पर आके it is biggest. So diameter is the biggest chord of the circle. First thing, so diameter, it is diameter. So diameter is biggest chord. First thing. Second thing, it is 2 times of the radius. So diameter क्या होता है? It is one of the chords of the circle. So diameter is the biggest chord of the circle and it is 2 times of the radius. And what is the chord that touches any 2 point of the circle is called the chord. A line segment that touches. Okay. So here one another thing that is we are going to discuss. So chord is the circumference and parts. Let's suppose this is a chord AB, and as we all know, देखो ये लाइन है ना, ये डिवाइड कर रही है सर्कल को 2 इक्वल पार्ट्स में. So these are called the segment of the circle. What are they called?